Why do people relate with you so much?
I think they feel that ये हम में से एक है. Humans of Bombay is the best podcast ever.
Yes.
We had our trailer launch of चंदू चैंपियन in ग्वालियर. तो उनके लिए एकदम प्राउड फीलिंग हो गई थी कि मेरा बेटा वो रूम में रो रहे थे.
Somewhere did you feel you were letting your parents down? You were lying to them effectively.
करेक्ट. मैं बहुत मैनिफेस्टेशन पे बिलीव करता हूँ. I was on education loan से पहले 2-3 फिल्में ऐसी थी जिसके हुए थे क्रैक बट वो कभी बनी नहीं. And I chose प्यार का पंचनामा audition over my exam. My first film was Panchnama, but then I had strings of flops. मतलब मैं क्या वापस पैक करके ग्वालियर चला जाऊँ. I'd given Panchnama, Panchnama 2, but I was still waiting in those lines and giving auditions to all the casting directors. I used to stay with 12 guys. 1 साल लग रहा है एक फिल्म में. जितना अमाउंट मिल रहा है वो पूरा रेंट पे चला जा रहा है. सोनू के टीटू की स्वीटी when it happened, I started getting direct calls for films, for narrations, and that was turning point in my life. I think the entire world was just against it. ये चल ही नहीं सकती.
What was your first real taste of stardom?
Imtiaz sir and me were supposed to do something else. I don't know how it just everybody decided that we should make Love Aajkal.
Was there ever a moment where you were like, you know, the steroid question? Or how do you kind of
Never.
operate? Or how do you stay away from it?
जब चलती है तो बोल देते हैं फ्रेंचाइज थी इसलिए.
Easy
जब
thing.
नहीं चलती तो बोलते हैं अरे ये तो नहीं चलनी थी.
Nepotism conversation.
ये प्लेइंग फील्ड इवन नहीं है. हाँ, ये वो चांसेस और अपॉर्चुनिटीज इक्वल नहीं मिलते. शट एवरीथिंग अप विथ योर वर्क.
Kartik Aaryan feels he is very unlucky in love, and women of the
Yeah.
world are like, ये unlucky कैसे है?
मुझे प्यार नहीं मिल रहा है.
And have you ever been in love?
Yeah, I've been in love. चल ही नहीं ना वो दिन.
Welcome to Humans of Bombay, Kartik Aaryan. How many months has it been since we have planned this interview? Yes, कुछ साल हो गए.
हाँ, कुछ साल हो गए एक्चुअली. बट थैंक यू करिश्मा, थैंक यू सो मच ये स्टार्ट में ये पूछने के लिए. आई डोंट नो, आई मीन यू मस्ट हैव बीन बिजी. मैं
Please.
डेट्स नहीं मिल रहे थे आपके.
संडे को झूठ नहीं बोलते.
संडे को, हाँ. सो वी आर ऑन अ संडे.
It's a Sunday special.
संडे स्पेशल चल रहा है हमारा. आपका ऑफिस पूरा खाली हो रखा है.
भूल
और
भुलैया vibes.
भूल भुलैया वाइब में हम यहाँ पे बैठे हैं and I'm just enjoying. Yeah, this is a special Sunday for me.
Very good. I'm very excited.
After years of planning this.
So, how are you feeling? You're looking on top of your game, Chandu champion, but also just you look like you're very there. You know, you're very good where you are. So, how are you feeling?
I'm just in a very happy state, happy phase. I think I'm really enjoying what I'm doing. I'm enjoying being in the moment. I think that was really important for me. I think in my life also, because I was somewhere down the line. What happens is in this industry now, you start to think about अच्छा आगे क्या होने वाला है. अच्छा पहले क्या हुआ है. अच्छा ये क्या. Suddenly this thing happened with me. In fact, because of Chandu Champion's prep, a lot of things changed for me internally, and I just started being there, I think, in the moment, and I just realized the importance of being there. And that has really changed, and it's made me much more positive and in a very happy state, which I'm really, I don't know how to express it, but it's something which I'm enjoying right now. I'm not someone who plans so much also in life, but this is something ये एकदम ही unplanned हो चुका हूँ.
Going with the flow.
I'm really going with the flow in my life and in my career also. I'm just enjoying, be it the reaction to the film, be it the being in this state where this Sunday wasn't planned as such, and I'm sitting with you giving this interview, just enjoying and not planning anything. What I'm going to be saying, what you're going to be asking me, I have no idea, and I'm just living in the moment.
It's a good place to be.
Yeah, I think it's exciting.
Yeah.
It's that excitement, it's that nervous energy. It's nice.
Yeah. You know, so I saw your show with Kapil Sharma, and it looked like a very close family unit, right? Like you, your parents, your sister.
Yeah.
And I just feel like so much of who we are, jo, you know, like the people that we become is coming from our childhood and the values that we get there. जो वहाँ पे सीखते हैं, we take it forward in life. So, what is it that your childhood was about? बचपन के बारे में आज बात करेंगे.
बचपन के बारे में. I think I've always been in this nuclear sort of family, and a very close knit family. मतलब मम्मी पापा, किट्टू my sister and me. हम चारों हमेशा से ऐसे you know जैसे अभी भी हैं वैसे ही बचपन में भी रहा था. And be it on the show also, I was actually very nervous when my mom was coming on the
Yeah,
show.
you kept saying.
I was really nervous. कि वो मैं शो में भी बोलता रहा पूरे टाइम कि क्या कुछ मत बोलना, कुछ ऐसा मत बोल देना, या कुछ बोलेंगी भी कि नहीं मुझे वो भी नहीं पता था, because she was facing the camera for the first time.
Yeah.
So I was actually worried. Then when she started saying, she became the star of the show, and
Yeah.
मैं तो spectator, मैं तो बस तालियां बजा रहा था और हंस रहा था. So
After Katori.
after Katori also, she also took the limelight, जो बची कुची थी. तो वैसे ही चल रहा था. And I think I'm really lucky to have a family like that. I'm
Yeah.
really lucky to have my mom and dad and my sister. They've really been you know, I'm very influenced by my family. I'm very influenced by my how my mother actually has had that strong nature in any way. I mean, the way she's always been a fighter. My mom and dad, they were crying when I left for Navi Mumbai and to study, and you know, so they so yeah, it's been like that only. I've always really been close and to my, and it's still the same. I live with them right now. Yeah.
You can see it. So a lot is said about father-son relationships कि you know ऐसे होता है वैसे होता है, strict होते हैं, and father doesn't show that softness जो माँ के पास मिलती है. तो how is your relationship with your father?
My dad is actually very emotional.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, very emotional. He is even more emotional than my mom. So he has that side, and because of that, sometimes he's not able to have those conversations. वो एक थोड़ा सा एक वॉल की तरह थोड़ा सा बीच में हमेशा से आता रहा है. He's not so expressive, of course, like my mom.
Yeah.
So that's been the case, but I've always had that relationship. In fact, his love for sports and my love for sport is something that we have always found a common ground with. He used to play football, he used to play cricket, and so do I. And हम लोग cricket बहुत देखते हैं घर में. So वो भी हमेशा से मतलब it's been till date वो वैसा ही है कि पापा और मैं बैठ के क्रिकेट देख रहे हैं घर पे, और मम्मी कभी कभी इरिटेट हो रही है, कभी कभी जैसे वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल हो रहा है तो बहुत खुश है. तो लेकिन like yesterday I wasn't seeing it with my family. I was shooting भूल भुलैया 3. I was shooting for that. एंड वहाँ पे पूरा सेट रुक गया था. लास्ट के 4 ओवर के लिए सब सेट रुका हुआ था कि क्या होने वाला है. सो वी वर ऑल वेटिंग, एंड व्हेन सूर्य कुमार टुक दैट कैच, and suddenly it just the game changed with Bumrah, and just so it just it was
feeling.
Yeah, it's a different feeling. सब एक स्टेडियम बन गया था हमारा भूल भुलैया का सेट भी. ऐसा लगा था हम लोग वहाँ पे हम जीत गए हैं पूरी तरह से.
सबको ऐसे ही लग रहा था.
सबको ऐसे ही.
The victory was personal.
Yeah, it is personal.
Yeah,
so so it felt really nice, and so that's been a relationship. I think मैं बहुत पापा के साथ स्पोर्ट्स के साथ बहुत रिलेट कर पाता हूँ. And I know that he's like, he was very emotional when I went to, so we had our trailer launch of Chandu Champion in Gwalior. So he was there with me over there. So वो होम टाउन पे जहाँ पे वो पैदा हुए हैं, जहाँ पे मैं हुआ हूँ, and he's all the relatives are there. तो उनके लिए एकदम प्राउड फीलिंग हो गई थी कि मेरा बेटा, you know, and he's on stage with his trailer. And so many fans were there, so he really got emotional over there on stage. So I called him on stage at the event, and then he was almost crying over there. Then later on we had to, मतलब वो room में रो रहे थे, तो yeah, so it's like that.
Hi guys, I hope you're enjoying the podcast so far. Do let us know what you think down in the comments. We always read what you have to say. And on that note, I want to fill you in on something really exciting that we're building at Humans of Bombay. So you guys know, we've mastered the art of storytelling for the past 10 years. And you have trusted us to tell your story. So now it's time for us to empower you. So me, along with 5 other experts, have curated a course for just that, where you learn how to tell your story in different settings. So it's called How to Tell Your Story, and the course is live now. You can check it down below in the link or even on the pop-up here. And with that, let's get back to the podcast. everything has been written about your journey in engineering college. कि आप कैसे audition पे जाते थे. I used to do this. I used to be working. I didn't even tell my roommates. Didn't tell your family. Somewhere, did you feel you were letting your parents down when you were not interning and you were lying to them effectively?
Correct.
And because you're so close with your family, that's a conflict, right? That you're lying to the people closest in the world to you, even though it's your dream. It's such a difficult and conflicting place to be.
Yeah, it was. I think, in fact, when I first went to Navi Mumbai, D.Y. Patil, my college, that was the first thing that I felt that I'm not saying this to my parents, and I'm actually, I mean, bunking my classes, and I'm not appearing for my exams or whatever, and they would eventually get to know it in maybe the worst case, worst scenario. There was a conflict where I used to feel ki I want to pursue my dream, but I can't tell my parents about it, because also, see, what happens is, I was in Gwalior. At that point of time, my family was going through some conditions of debts and stuff like that, and they couldn't really afford me being in a state where I was trying to pursue a career which I didn't know anything about, where there was no futuristic,
there was no guarantee.
No guarantee of any kind of future.
Yeah.
So for them, I was on education loans, and वो सारी चीजें, बहुत ऐसी चीजें दिमाग में चलती थी कि अरे यार ये भी हुआ है, इसके चलते ये कैसे. Also because I didn't tell them, there was no money for any kind of मेरे traveling expense है, या फिर मेरे को कुछ auditions में it takes time, it takes energy, it takes you need money to travel, just to eat food, just to
survive
stay,
in
just to survive in Bombay.
Yeah.
It wasn't actually Navi Mumbai, it was more of Bombay.
Yeah.
Mumbai. So all those things were really conflicting for me at that point of time, and I didn't want to put burden on their shoulders at that time, and so yeah, वो चलता रहता था. But eventually, I mean, in like couple of years and 2.5 years, actually, I cracked this audition of Pyar Ka Panchnama.
Yeah.
And then also I could not, मतलब मैंने बहुत रोते हुए फ़ोन किया था घर पे, और मैंने बताया था कि मम्मी मुझे, I remember I was in स्टेशन, दिस लोकल ट्रेन स्टेशन अंधेरी पे था, और मैं उनको फ़ोन करके बोला था कि मुझे वो ऑडिशन मेरा हो गया है और वो टेस्ट पास कर लिया है. एंड शी वाज लाइक, कौन सा टेस्ट, क्या ऑडिशन, क्या होता है एक्चुअली, वो सर क्वेश्चन. हम लोग वाइवा वो सारी बातें करते थे, और ये क्या ऑडिशन का मतलब क्या होता है. एंड आई केप्ट क्राइंग ओनली बिकॉज मैं बोल भी नहीं पा रहा था कि कैसे समझाऊं, because there were too many things running in my mind. At that point of time, you don't know. I was just 19 at that time, when I was actually having this conversation, and I told her that मुझे एक्टर बनना था, and वो इसलिए मैं ये ऑडिशंस देता रहता हूँ, and इस फिल्म का ऑडिशन क्रैक कर लिया है, एंड आई थिंक ये फिल्म होगी, ये बनेगी. बिकॉज उससे पहले 2-3 फिल्में ऐसी थी जिसके हुए थे क्रैक, बट वो कभी बनी नहीं, एंड आई डिडंट टेल देम आल्सो, थैंकफुली. सो दिस वाज द फिल्म व्हिच आई थॉट कि हाँ ये करेक्ट है, ये बनने वाली है. And then the next day only my mom had arrived. मम्मी और मौसी मेरे वो दोनों प्यार का पंचनामा के प्रोड्यूसर कुमार जी एंड लव सर, उनके ऑफिस में मेरा ऑडिशन टेप देख रहे थे. मैं बैठा हूँ, लव सर बैठे हैं, मम्मी, सब लोग ऑडिशन देख रहे हैं, मम्मी और मौसी मेरे बैठ के, कि ये क्या कर रहा है, कौन सी रोमांटिक लाइंस बोल रहा है और ये तो यहाँ पे क्या पढ़ रहा था, क्या हो रहा है. सो इट वाज काइंड ऑफ अ शॉक फॉर देम, फॉर मी, बट या वो धीरे धीरे वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जाता गया, एंड धीरे धीरे दे गॉट यूज्ड टू द आइडिया.
बट यू मस्ट हैव बीन वेरी श्योर, क्योंकि इफ यू आर रेडी टू गैम्बल, लाइक जो करियर पाथ फैमिली ने चूज किया है एज अ यूनिट कि ये हमारा बेटा करेगा, एंड देन यू गो टुवर्ड्स, आई मीन इट्स अनप्रिडिक्टेबल, इट्स there is no guarantee, it's like millions of people try to become actors and
Yeah.
don't succeed.
Yeah.
How were you so sure कि ये तो मैं करूँगा, ये तो मैं कर पाऊँगा and I'll be good at it and I'll get that opportunity?
I don't know. I had crazy amount of self-belief.
In this dream.
Yeah. I had this belief system where I really believed in the fact that I will become an actor. And I don't know how. मैं बहुत manifestation पे believe करता हूँ. And that has really worked for me. And I feel that is what I always manifested for. And I think कि मुझे actor बनना है. मैं बहुत I think and मैं बनूँगा. ये I think I don't know what happened, but it just I was at the right time at the right place. I was just discussing this. I said this in an interview also that there was a time when उसी दिन एग्जाम था मेरा कॉलेज का एंड उसी दिन ऑडिशन था प्यार का पंचनामा का एंड आई चोज प्यार का पंचनामा ऑडिशन over my exam, which is I don't know, maybe in some other time I would not have chosen
Yeah.
that, and today I would not be sitting here. And I had that self belief in me. I really thought that I would crack this. I would be an actor, and it's working for me. I think today till date I believe in that.
And how your parents accepted it? Audition tape
It
देखते
took
हुए?
time. It took time for them. They still for the longest time actually they said the same thing, that it's a gamble. You cannot, because they always thought कि नहीं पढ़ के लिख के there's some kind of guarantee, you know.
Yeah.
But इधर पे कुछ पता ही नहीं है, and we didn't know anyone. I had no idea कि how to approach this, how to go about it. So it became kind of I learned everything while I was in the process of auditioning,
Yeah.
while in the process of actually filming a film. So it took a while for me to actually understand the business, to actually understand the process. And so they always thought that it's a gamble. They always thought that ये कुछ ना कुछ इसमें गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. My first film was Panchnama, but then I had strings of flops. They didn't work. Akashvani, Kanchi, they didn't work. And I was again under the pressure of actually sustaining in this industry. I didn't have money, proper standards of living तो बहुत दूर की बात है, but मैं basic चीज़ों पे उस time मेरे बहुत problems थे. But somewhere deep inside me, I knew that I would again bounce back. And it happened with Pyar Ka Panchnama too.
Yeah, the same again,
The
a cycle.
same cycle again started. Then again I had string of flop. Then again came a Sonu Ke Tito Ki Sweetie, which gave suddenly my name, everybody got to know my name.
Yeah.
Suddenly मेरे को कार्तिक बुला रहे थे लोग. उससे पहले वो मोनोलॉग वाला लड़का, वो लंबे डायलॉग बोलने वाला लड़का, वो सब चलता था. And then of course then पति पत्नी वो happened, लुका छुपी happened. Then थोड़ी गाड़ी चली मेरी. और and भूल भुलैया again changed everything for me.
Yeah, of course.
So it's I think I've been learning through the process, but they have always said this, that it's a gamble, and वो मेरे mind में हमेशा आज भी रहता है, it's a gamble. So I don't get attached to any Fridays. I success होती है, I get happy for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks maximum. उसके बाद on to the next one.
Yeah.
Failure होता है तो I hope कि मेरे को ऐसा लगता है एक हफ्ते में भूल जाओ. yeah,
Just move on.
Just move on. But I don't get attached. I get sad, I get happy, but I don't get attached.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
And once Pyar Ka Panchnama came, and the second one also, both massive hits for your career,
Yeah.
but also that just to break through, right, as from like this
Yeah.
college boy who
Yeah.
was giving auditions to being on screen and then having such a huge hit, do you think that changed something in you, or was that it was humbling? Ki, I've gotten this and now I want to just work really hard to keep it.
I think I've not gotten that time to think. Everything is just happening. It's taking its own time. It's not like कि fast भी हो रहा है कि अरे टक टक. But I'm so engrossed with my work that I'm not able to process कि अच्छा मैं वहाँ था, वहाँ से इट्स ऑल रिलेटिव एक्चुअली. व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ कि अरे यार मैं कॉलेज में था, मैं तब सोचता था या बचपन में मैं सोचता था एक्टर बन जाऊँ, तो आज तो मैं कहाँ पहुँच गया हूँ. आज पंचनामा होने के बाद मैं सोच रहा था कि अरे यार इसके बाद मुझे यहाँ पहुँचना है, भूल भुलैया होने के बाद इसके बाद मैं यहाँ पहुँचना है. It's all relative. Success
Yeah.
is
It's
only,
not, yeah.
yeah, it's not,
It's not linear.
yeah, it's not linear. There's no finish line.
Yeah.
You'll always have another goal.
Yeah.
You'll have this, आज मेरा ये goal है, कल मेरा ये होगा, परसों ये होगा, and that's what इसीलिए that's the beauty of this whole entire process, entire journey, that maybe there's no such thing as complete satisfaction, कि मैं content हो जाऊँ, कि हाँ ये मुझे लगता है वो नहीं होना is the driving force.
Yeah. What was your first real taste of stardom? Like you felt like I'm a star.
I don't know. I feel कि मुझे छोटी छोटी चीजों में, like for example प्यार का पंचनामा जब हुई थी,
The first one.
the first one, हाँ,
Yeah.
the first one, तब मुझे पहली बार जब एक I remember we were actually, वो तब फिल्म आई नहीं थी, तब फिल्म का बस शूट हो रहा था. एंड मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो एक बच्चा था वहाँ पे, वो उसने मुझे पहचानता भी नहीं था, कुछ नहीं पता था, लेकिन उसने मेरे से ऑटोग्राफ लिया था. तो वो मुझे एक्चुअली लगा था कि अरे मैं स्टार बन गया. बट इट्स नॉट अबाउट बीइंग अ स्टार, इट्स अबाउट कि यार हाँ मैं आई एम इन सम काइंड ऑफ पोजीशन जहाँ पे पीपल आर गेटिंग excited by maybe my presence, maybe by I'm kind of एक्चुअली कुछ लोगों को बस ऐसे ही खुशी दे पा रहा हूँ विदाउट इवन डूइंग एनीथिंग. वो आपसे एक स्माइल आ जाती है एक स्ट्रेंजर को. आई थिंक आज भी अगर मैं कहीं जाता हूँ, मैं फैन से जितनी ज़्यादा फोटोज हो सकती है उतनी खींचने की कोशिश करता हूँ, बिकॉज दैट गिव्स देम सम काइंड ऑफ जॉय, which I have seen that as a fan. I have been a fan, and I know that how I have felt when अरे यार एक एक्टर ने मेरे को बस देख लिया, बस वो नजर जब मिल गई, अरे यार उन्होंने मुझे देख लिया था. उतने में भी मुझे पता है कि कितना सबको वो अच्छा लगता है, या उनको एक फीलिंग आ जाती है. So I try to give it back. I try to do that, and as much as I can. And तो मुझे हर उस मोमेंट पे ऐसा लगता है कि या स्टार नहीं, but yeah, I'm doing something right. Yeah.
And who were you a fan of? Who was your inspiration as an actor?
I've been a fan of Shah Rukh sir. I've been a fan of Amitabh Bachchan sir. I've been really closely been उनकी journey मुझे ऐसा लगा है कि they've created their own journey.
Yeah.
They've created their own audience, and इतने सालों से they've been relevant, and it's tough to be relevant. It's tough to actually continue that, and I know the pulse of the audience. So which I think, yeah, so I think मैं उनसे बहुत relate कर पाता हूँ.
Do you remember when you met them for the first time?
I remember I had gone to Bandstand मैं पहले Sunday, again a Sunday, which was special.
Sunday is a theme in your life.
Yeah, Sunday is a theme in my life. So उस दिन संडे था और मैं बैंड स्टैंड में मैं भी खड़ा हो गया था देखने के लिए कि शाहरुख सर वहाँ पे आएंगे. एंड ही लिटरली एक्चुअली वो कार से अपनी निकले थे, एंड वो मेरे साथ मोमेंट हुआ था जब मुझे लगा था कि मैं आई कांटेक्ट हुआ है मेरा, एंड आई गॉट रियली हैप्पी अबाउट इट. ही वाज जस्ट पासिंग बाय एंड मैं वाज हाय करने के सर 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 सर, एंड वो आई थिंक ऐसा लगा था कि उन्होंने देखा मेरी तरफ. So I think yeah, so that happened on that special Sunday.
On that special Sunday.
Yeah.
So in this whole journey, right, you don't have training. जैसे people who grow up in Bollywood, for example, they know कि ये होता है, वो होता है. How to deal, how to kind of
मुझे तो अभी भी नहीं पता.
tread carefully. काफी random चीज होते हैं. Even your first film, your big monologue, which is extremely popular. I've seen it a few times actually, and everybody thought there was misogyny, and how can he talk about women like this, etc., a lot, which is actually your flagship moment, right? As a newcomer. So were you confused कि ये कैसा criticism है? Like, I don't even know. I'm going by script.
No, actually, see, honestly speaking, I was playing a character there. If I play a villain today, अभी मैं मर्डर कर रहा हूँ तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि मर्डर सही है,
Hmm.
बट मैं उसको पूरी शिद्दत से करूँगा फिल्म के अंदर। तो मैं वो जब कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा था रजत का, एंड व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग दैट मोनोलॉग, आई मैं उस मोमेंट पे उस चीज़ को रिलेटेबिलिटी के साथ ही कर रहा था पूरी तरीके से, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई हैड टू परफॉर्म दैट। अगर मैं वो वैसे परफॉर्म नहीं करता तो वो कभी ऑनेस्ट ही नहीं लगता उस कैरेक्टर के लिए। एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो कहीं एक ऐसा इंसान होगा जो ऐसे बातें शायद से कर रहा होगा। और वो आई थिंक समवेयर डाउन द लाइन इट्स नॉट जेनेरिक कि सब लोग ऐसे नहीं है, या फिर लड़कियां ऐसी नहीं है या लड़के भी ऐसे नहीं है। इट्स दैट वर्ल्ड, इट्स दैट
Yeah.
कैरेक्टर, इट्स नॉट समथिंग कि वहां पे कोई ऐसा मैसेज दे रहे हैं कि नहीं 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 ये फॉलो करो, ये करेक्ट है।
You don't need
ये
to take it personally. कोई
नहीं,
character play कर रहा है.
take it with, yeah, not
Yeah.
at all, it's a character. So I think सब चीज़ों में मैं इतना नाप तोल नहीं कर सकता. I enjoy playing characters, and I enjoy, मैं कल को मुझे नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर भी मिलेगा तो मैं करना चाहूँगा.
Like Freddy. I
Like
just saw Freddy. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. On my
Yeah.
flight.
Yeah. मुझे एक्चुअली हमेशा मैं जहाँ जाता हूँ मुझे एक्चुअली वो मोनोलॉग बुलवाते हैं.
Really?
आज भी मैं 5 बार बोल चुका हूँ सुबह से.
Don't
तो
worry. We won't. We'll
हाँ,
spare
I
you the
know.
torture.
So वो हमेशा
It's
रहता है.
iconic.
Yeah, it's iconic and
Hmm.
it's become that. I think फेसबुक के टाइम पे वो
Hmm.
वो आया था वो मोनोलॉग. फेसबुक अभी भी है बट उस टाइम एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा
Because
फेसबुक,
Instagram इतना नहीं था.
इंस्टाग्राम इतना नहीं था तब. And coincidentally I got to know about प्यार का पंचनामा's audition through Facebook only.
What?
Yes, मैं फेसबुक पे ढूंढता रहता था कीवर्ड्स डाल के कि एक्टर्स रिक्वायर्ड, ऑडिशन, कास्टिंग कॉल्स, ये सारी चीज़ें मैं उसमें सर्च इंजन पे डालता था और वहाँ पे वो ग्रुप्स में आ जाते थे मैसेजेस. तो फेसबुक में एक ग्रुप में ये ऑडिशन के बारे में लिखा था, वी आर लुकिंग फॉर सम न्यू एक्टर्स एंड टू लॉन्च देम एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. 6 न्यू एक्टर्स, 6 न्यू फेसेस. There was no title, of course, there was nothing. And a small film that we are doing and this and that. And coincidentally, Facebook was the first app जिसमें actually ये viral हो गया. जब ये मोनोलॉग आया था, वो उसी में viral हुआ था जहाँ से मुझे actually film के बारे में पता चला.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Works in funny ways.
yeah, life works in funny ways. Yeah.
So you said something that it broke your heart when a film that you really believed in, Akashvani,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you thought it was a good film and you're proud of it,
Yeah.
didn't work.
Yeah.
So how do you deal with the lows? Because you also said that you're a very emotional person,
Yeah.
and something like this, how do you? I mean, I'm sure
I-
you're detached now, but
Yeah,
how were you detached then?
Initially, I used to really be attached. I मतलब मैं बहुत sad हो जाता था. I could cry. It's just that. It's something which I can, मतलब मुझे अभी भी वैसा फीलिंग आता है, लेकिन अभी मैं शायद से थोड़ा जल्दी मूव ऑन कर सकता हूँ. पहले मैं शायद से इतना मूव ऑन नहीं कर पाता था. मुझे लगता था ये तो डू और डाई है, ये तो वैसा सिचुएशन है, ये क्या हो गया. एंड बिकॉज ऑल्सो मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं अगर मेरी फिल्म नहीं चली तो अब मैं क्या करूँगा इसके
What's
बाद.
plan B?
या व्हाट्स द प्लान बी. देयर इज नो प्लान बी. आई डिडंट हैव एनीथिंग. सो आई हैड, मतलब मैं क्या वापस पैक करके ग्वालियर चला जाऊँ. सो वो सारे सवाल बहुत होते थे उस टाइम. सो या आई थिंक धीरे धीरे वो एक पॉइंट पे आया जहाँ ऑफ कोर्स एक आई in a way थोड़ा सा I got settled in life. I in terms of money, in terms of my house, in terms of the basic
Yeah,
necessities.
the base, the
Yeah,
foundation.
the base, the foundation. So वो पहले नहीं था, वो मेरी लाइफ में बिल्कुल नहीं था. I used to stay with 12 guys, even after प्यार का पंचनामा, आकाशवाणी, कांची, I was staying with them. So I was saving money at that time. Technically, I wasn't getting money for my films at that point of time. It
Yeah.
was really less at that time, and it used to take like a year. 1 साल लग रहा है एक फिल्म में, जितना अमाउंट मिल रहा है वो पूरा रेंट पे चला जा रहा है. तो वो बहुत अजीब सा टाइम था जब हैंड टू माउथ थी सिचुएशन. सो आई थिंक इसलिए मैं और ज़्यादा अटैच भी होता था. ऑल्सो पैशनेटली सारी फिल्में करता हूँ मैं, तो वो एक अलग अटैचमेंट होता है.
So how did you pull yourself out of it then?
I think I used to again self belief. Again, whatever happened with my films, even if they were not successful, even if they didn't work, um, I always believed that I will bounce back. I will get that one opportunity where I will really crack it.
And it turns.
या सो वो अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए मैं वेट करता रहा, पेशेंटली वेट करता रहा. इनफैक्ट मुझे ये पता है कि मैं जब सोनू कर रहा था, सोनू की टीटू की स्वीटी, एंड आई वाज एक्चुअली इन अ वेरी बैड स्टेट वेयर अगेन my monetary condition wasn't that great, and I had to held on to this situation where I was saying no to a lot of films, a lot of roles which I felt were actually not किसी का भाई का रोल, किसी का दोस्त का रोल, stuff like that was happening during just when सोनू का shoot होने वाला था. And I was in a situation where I could have easily gone for money, I could have easily done those things, and somewhere down the line I again believed in myself, नहीं कि ये मैं रोल क्रैक करूँगा अच्छे से, and this will actually people would want to watch it and they would give me a chance again after that.
Like I'll stay. I'll wait till that opportunity happens.
I waited for that opportunity.
Yeah.
I stayed with it, and I didn't do the wrong opportunity. I didn't go for the wrong opportunities.
Yeah.
I actually held on to this one big opportunity which I had. So yeah, that worked for me then.
Yeah. And how was life after two big films, right? I think, and two turning points in your life, Sonu, and then there was Bhool Bhulaiya, which was two like complete, like, you know, have arrived moments pretty much. So how did life change?
I think after Sonu, yeah, there were like thankfully there were so many offers at that point of time then, because before that I wasn't getting offers. I was just still auditioning before Sonu Ki Ttoo Ki Sweetie. I had been in the industry for like 7 years, and I'd given Panchnama 2, but I was still waiting in those lines and giving auditions to all the casting directors for the films. Sonu Ki Ttoo Ki Sweetie, when it happened, I remember suddenly I started getting direct calls from the directors, from the producers actually, for films, for narrations, and I was just happy and pleasantly surprised, and that was a turning point in my life where they were actually approaching me directly. I didn't have to audition at that point of time, and yeah, so Sonu did that for me, and then suddenly, of course, Bhool Bhulaiya, when it happened, that was one film जहाँ पे nobody believed in it. No one believed that this would.
Big shoes to fill.
Big shoes to fill.
Yeah.
I think the entire world was just against it. What was this saying that ये चल ही नहीं सकती, ये कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. It came and it did wonders at the box office, and suddenly it became a sequel which everybody is now waiting for the third part.
Yeah.
Now it's become the most awaited film.
Yeah.
तब तक ये था कि ये कैसे ये तो है ही नहीं. So now how it changes, it just amuses everyone. That became another turning point for me, where a lot of big numbers and a lot of big makers then started giving me work and putting films on my shoulders, and yeah, and I'm enjoying that right now, that process.
Yeah. Did you feel that pressure of delivering at that point, especially because it was franchisee, right? Any number 2, number 3, there's a preset.
Yeah, what happens is it's all the more difficult to actually crack a franchise. I had done Love Aajkal, which didn't work. In fact, I still remember that Imtiaz sir and me were supposed to do something else. It happened to be, it just happened that suddenly I don't know how, everybody decided that we should make Love Aajkal, and it happened, and then I wanted to work with Imtiaz sir, so I went along with it, but and I really enjoyed the process of working with him. But that's a franchise that didn't work, so people say that franchise, कई बार, see, it's very easy to say this. कई बार जब चलती है तो बोल देते हैं फ्रेंचाइज थी इसलिए, जब नहीं चलती तो बोलते हैं अरे ये तो नहीं चलनी थी. So it's very and you can name the franchise, इतनी सारी, वो काउंट में ही है, इतनी सी जो चली है, और बहुत सारी हैं जो एक्चुअली नहीं चली है. So you have to make a good film. क्योंकि अदरवाइज वो 3 दिन में नंबर करके उसके बाद वो कभी सस्टेन ही नहीं करेगी.
Yeah.
वो अगर सस्टेन कर रही है तो इट्स स्टक द राइट कॉर्ड विद द ऑडियंस, तब जाके वो एक पिक्चर वहां तक पहुंच पाती है.
And you said, you know, the process, you enjoyed the process. How was the process for Chandu Champion? Because it
Yeah.
looked like tough. It looked grueling. It looked like what is going on. How was that?
It's been a tough journey. I think it's one of my toughest character till date. I don't think so मतलब इसके बाद मुझे इससे tough character मिल सकता है, because it's something that I also didn't know कि एक के बाद एक one struggle after another.
Yeah.
यही चल रहा है, because वहाँ मुझे boxing भी करनी है, मुझे swimming भी सीखनी है, swimming without the use of legs सीखनी है,
Yeah.
दंगल wrestling सीखनी है. There are skill sets. There is Marathi dialect. There is a character जिसमें मेरे पास कुछ reference point नहीं है, because मुरली सर की कोई photos, मुरली सर की कोई videos as such नहीं थी to actually have a referential point.
Yeah.
So Kabir sir invested, he actually spent so much time with Murli sir, and he made those notes. He actually told me to follow those notes. We would sit on those workshops. We would do these sitting sessions, reading sessions, and umpteen numbers of sessions around that. I would not be eating anything, of course.
Yeah, of
No,
course.
yeah, no sugar, no nothing. It was just those. I was like a machine, like a robot, just following a specific diet for like almost like 2 years.
Wow.
I would just have the same soup or the same cauli rice or the same. It was just the same diet every day.
How do you get yourself to it? Like, मैं सोच रही हूँ, मैं तो बोर हो जाती. I need to Baskin and Robbins at 12 o'clock when nobody's looking. And eat the same food.
ये मेरा था जब मैं फ्रेडी कर रहा था. उससे मैं 39% फैट तक पहुंच गया था लाइफ में, और वो मुझे पूरा लूज करना पड़ा चंदू चैंपियन के लिए.
So from there to here.
And but it's been a fruitful journey.
Yeah.
It really not just physically but emotionally, mentally also, it's transformed me in a different way. Like I said earlier, that it's just been these 2 years of just a transformative journey for me. I've started enjoying maybe just working out, maybe just walking, just spending some me time, just being just living in the moment.
Yeah.
I think all those things have just happened because of Chandu Champion. It's been a tough journey. Boxing, I had no idea. मतलब बी नहीं आता बॉक्सिंग का मुझे. वहाँ से मुझे इधर तक जाना था जहाँ पे मैं जिससे लड़ रहा था, वो एक्चुअली मैं बाउट, वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप बाउट करके आ रहा था. वो खुद फाइट करके आ रहे थे. मैं टीवी पे उनके मैच देख रहा था 10 दिन पहले. मेरा उनके साथ शूट था. सो ऐसे उन्होंने, कबीर सर, ही गोज फॉर डिटेलिंग. वो बहुत लॉजिक्स और डिटेलिंग पे काम करते हैं. एंड beat the wrestlers, beat the boxers, beat the swimmers. They were all Olympians. They were all professional boxers. They were all, तो सबके साथ मैं पैरालंपियन. जब मैं स्विमिंग कर रहा था, मेरे नेक्स्ट टू माय लेन वाज एक्चुअली अ स्विमर जिसने मुझे बोला कि मैं आई हैव वन अ गोल्ड इन दिस लेन in London. So you know,
I better swim.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that was my competition.
Yeah.
And I was a non-swimmer, so it just became a very tough journey for me.
Yeah.
But I was like, मतलब मेरे blinkers on थे और मैं कुछ और actually मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा था. सुबह से रात शाम तक सिर्फ 8 hours of sleep. I was almost an insomniac. उससे मैं 8 hours of sleep और proper time उस पे चला गया. Everything was like I was just living a life of an athlete, basically.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you know, a lot of people, in fact, Imran Khan was here recently, and he spoke about कि there's a lot of pressure to be masculine in this industry,
Yeah.
right? Like you have to look a certain way, body ऐसे
I don't know
होनी
if
चाहिए.
it's now. Or maybe.
Or
I
maybe,
don't know.
right?
I don't
Okay.
know. It
So
depends.
no. So my question is that was there ever a moment where you were like, you know, the steroid question, or how do you kind of
Never.
operate, or how do you stay away from it? How do you stay away from the easier way?
I think because, yeah, the easier way, because I was really adamant about it that I would not use steroids.
That you would do it the right way.
Yeah, I would do it the right way because I wanted to really, somewhere down the line, because first मुझे knowledge है उस बात की कि ये गलत है, इससे बहुत wrong होने वाला है आपकी life में, and it will really harm anyone's body. So it would harm my body. And second, I think if it's achievable like that, just take the right time. The first conversation that Kabir sir and I had was that I'll require time. You know, I'll need this much amount of time. एक सेट ट्रेनर्स थे मेरी लाइफ में, न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट थे मेरी लाइफ में. अब उनके साथ वो पूरा प्लान किया गया कि 1.5 साल लगेगा ये करने में, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी अचीव्ड इट. एंड इसीलिए वो 1.5 साल तक मैं सिर्फ वही डाइट पे रहा पूरे टाइम. And it worked for us. And it really shows on screen that ये कैसे real body बन सकती है. It's not so out there. It's actually like an athlete. Athletes are not, you know, like bulked up and
like the way you see it.
Yeah, like the way you see it in some movies. It's different. It's not really how you see so many sports people. They have a fit physique. They don't have a bulked up physique.
They're lean.
Yeah. They can do those functional training things. They can run. They can, you know, they can swim. They can. It's about being athletic rather than being bulked up or just unnecessary looking that muscular.
Like
yeah, because and also
it's almost unnatural.
It is unnatural, तो वो natural ही दिखेगा. जो natural है वो natural दिखेगा, तो वो इसलिए दिख रहा है. So I think.
And the film has received a lot of love.
Yeah.
And you know, speaking of which, your fans really consider you their own. You know, like, and they have this really large affinity for you and so much love, and it's insane to see that. Why do you think that's the reason? Like, why do people relate with you so much?
I think they feel that ये हम में से एक है, you know, that feeling of, you know, I think it's like while I was doing this, while I was prepping for Chandu Champion, while I was doing, you know, certain scenes in the film, I realized that it's like an Indian dream. The topic of the film, the story of the film, it's like an Indian dream, you know. A boy thinking about achieving his dream, and just thinking about that and working towards it. I think everybody relates to that.
Yeah.
And that's been my story also. I've always been, you know, really focused about achieving what I want to achieve, my dreams, and I think maybe somewhere down the line they've seen my journey, they've seen the struggles, they've seen the curve. They've not just seen this, you know. It's not been like this. It's been like this, so it's been a journey filled with struggles, ups and downs, and I think they really root for me. They really feel that ये इसके साथ अच्छा होना चाहिए. Somewhere down the line मुझे ये messages आते रहते हैं.
Yeah.
So I keep seeing them, and I'm so possessive about my fans. I'm just and so are they. They really keep they just keep saying positive things to me, and I really love that.
Yeah.
And I feel that they could relate to my journey.
Yeah.
So I think that's the reason they really root for me.
Yeah. So this conversation, you know, कि you're self-made, you made it on your own, you do not have a backing, comes hand in hand with the nepotism conversation, which is so out there and so overspoken about.
Yeah.
How do you feel about it?
I think मैं इस बारे में अभी इतना ज़्यादा बात हो चुका है ना,
बहुत ही
कि
ज़्यादा.
हाँ, कि अब वो बात करने में भी मुझे अजीब लगता है, बिकॉज ऑल्सो और मेरे साथ बहुत की जाती है बात. या बिकॉज हैंड इन हैंड जाता है. वो ऑपोजिट हो जाता है. हाँ, वो एग्जैक्टली ना, हेड एंड टेल है वो. तो वो आई डोंट नो हाउ टू basically answer that in a way which might sound neutral in some way or the other, but see, of course, it's the nature of this industry, you know, and nobody is to blame for that. I'm not blaming anyone ki अरे यार ये यहाँ पैदा हुआ तो वो उसकी गलती नहीं है, मैं यहाँ पे, लेकिन there's this beautiful line in Chandu Champion which is actually the reverse of nepotism, where the who's playing the junior Murli Kant, he तो उसको वो बोलता है उसका भाई, तू जानता है वो किसका बेटा है, तो एंड ही सेज कि तो क्या हुआ, मैं भी अपने बाप का बेटा है. So I feel वो so वो I feel कि वो इतना relatable चीज है ना, जिसमें you eventually it's the talent, eventually it's you,
It trumps
eventually
everything.
yeah, it does that.
Yeah.
वो उसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं है. And कहीं ना कहीं हाँ, you sometimes feel that अरे यार ये प्लेइंग फील्ड इवन नहीं है. हाँ, ये वो चांसेस और अपॉर्चुनिटीज इक्वल नहीं मिलते, बट यू कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट
बट
इट.
प्यार भी इतना नहीं मिलता.
प्यार भी नहीं मिलता.
Yeah, it's
इतना ऑनेस्ट प्यार नहीं मिलता.
Yeah.
वो नहीं मिलता. एंड आई थिंक आई फील प्राउड ऑफ माई जर्नी. आई फील आई वुड नॉट हैव वांटेड इट इन एनी अदर वे. अगर यही जर्नी शुरुआत से स्टार्ट करनी हो तो वापस से यही स्टार्ट करूँगा.
I was telling somebody the other day कि I've done everything, right? Like I used to work out of Starbucks. Every Starbucks in the city I've worked out. मैं laptop डालती थी and I used to write. I used to do all of that. Then moved out to another office and another office and then this office. I was like, I don't think I would have enjoyed this had it not been for all of that.
Exactly.
Where it was proper कि मैंने everything in this office is a result of the hard work. Nobody else can claim to it. Or
and what a beautiful office you've created.
Yeah. मेरे पास office plug करना था actually. It became very less about you.
No. But the moment I entered the office, I said this to you.
Yeah.
कि ये and मैं पहली बार ये Sunday के दिन यहाँ पे आ रहा था, और but I could just see the vibe. I could just कि ये बहुत हैप्पीनेस में और प्यार से और सबको एकदम इवन योर टीम द वे दे आर, इट्स जस्ट very organic and fun. It's really nice to see that. I enjoy, like I usually don't say this, मेरे को actually में वो energy आई यहाँ से. So that's why.
And this is the best podcast. You were saying something earlier.
Yeah, I said that. I said that. कौन से कैमरा पे बोल रहा है? Humans of Bombay is the best bet बोला.
Bet. See, take the full line again, please. Hello.
Humans of Bombay is the best podcast ever.
Yes, guys. Promo.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk.
कितने पैसे दे रहे हो मुझे? अरे.
I got avocado toast.
Thank you.
So in this journey of yours, I was talking about ups and downs. There's a lot, and there are in an actor's life especially जो बहुत ही popular है, जिसको इतना सारा प्यार मिलता है. You have so many fans. There's just a lot of conversation. You're single. You're good looking. You're an actor. You're in Bollywood. There's so much written about you. Now whether that is about say your dating life or about certain controversies, that you had creative differences, film nature. How do you kind of mute that when people are speaking about it around you and you're like, maybe sometimes you're like, ये तो कभी हुआ भी नहीं है.
Most of the times यही होता है, ये तो कभी हुआ भी नहीं था.
Yeah.
लेकिन I've gotten used to that now. कि I know कि headlines कुछ ऐसी बनती हैं जो out of proportion उसको blow करती हैं, and I feel that ये unnecessary है. पहले मुझे ऐसा लगता था ये क्यों लिख दिया किसी ने, ये ऐसा क्यों हो गया. But now I feel that it's okay, it's fine. I mean, it's not like it's the end of the world. और वो अपने आप वो die down हो जाएगा. इसमें कुछ ऐसा होने नहीं वाला जिससे मेरी लाइफ में या किसी और की लाइफ में कुछ फर्क पड़ने वाला है. वो 2 मिनट के लिए शायद से मुझे ऐसा होगा कि अरे यार ये क्यों ऐसा, किस लिए, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. बट आई डोंट like you can't mute anything. You can only work on yourself, and you can just shut everything up with your work. That's it. And that's what my idea of doing anything is. I would not say anything. I would just concentrate on my work, and my work will really speak louder than anything. And that's what I've been doing till date. टिल डेट मैंने कभी ये चीज़ों में इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया। मैंने हमेशा मतलब मुझे एक्चुअली ऐसा लगता है कि शायद से अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है तो मैं और ज़्यादा डाइव करता हूँ अपने काम में,
Yeah.
और एंड उसमें पूरी फोर्स लगाता हूँ।
Hmm.
सो या मे बी दैट्स
And you know, you've
something I
also said something like you don't have a lot of friends who are co-stars or within the industry.
हाँ,
So how does that work? How do you is that a conscious decision?
it's not like a conscious decision. It's something to do with, yeah, what happens is uh, every Friday ना you're changing your office, you know। अभी अब ह्यूमंस ऑफ बॉम्बे में आप हो,
Hmm.
1 साल तक आपने काम किया, अब ये सारे के सारे अब अगली पिक्चर में काम कर रहे हैं, तो ये ह्यूमंस ऑफ बॉम्बे का ऑफिस छोड़ेंगे, कहीं और काम करेंगे। वो उसके बाद अगला फ्राइडे कोई और पिक्चर, फिर वो ऐसा होगा, तो आपके कलीग्स बार बार चेंज होते रहेंगे। एंड समटाइम्स 6 महीने में हो जाता है वो, समटाइम्स 2 महीने में ही हो जाता है, समटाइम्स यू कांट कीप इन टच विद एवरीवन
At every point.
एट एवरी पॉइंट,
Yeah.
राइट। कॉलेज के आपके दोस्तों के साथ भी आपके बहुत कम कॉन्वर्जेशन हो जाते हैं, बिल्कुल ही गिनती में दोस्त हो जाते हैं। और वो इसीलिए होता है क्योंकि आप रोज मिल रहे थे उनको तब, एंड सडनली जब वो काम पे अपने अपने गए, तो वो कोई इधर चला गया, कोई उधर चली गई, कोई इधर, तो यू लूज टच, you lose that touch, and you're not meeting them every day 9 a.m. at your college or whatever the time.
Yeah, that's set, वो जो
That's
routine
set
है,
routine में आप नहीं मिल रहे हो ना
हाँ.
उनको। आई थिंक वो यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे कोई सेट रूटीन नहीं है, यहाँ तो लाइफ ही सेट नहीं है। यहाँ सब कुछ एक ऐसा है कि आप रोज एक सेट पे जा रहे हो, मिल रहे हो एंड सडनली गायब, सडनली नया सेट आ गया। सो आई डोंट वांट टू फूल माई सेल्फ कि अरे यार ये यहाँ पे अगर दोस्ती हो रही है तो ये बहुत टाइम के लिए दोस्ती चलने वाली है। वो समटाइम्स यू हैव टू मेक एफर्ट्स ऑल्सो, बट आफ्टर अ पॉइंट वो एफर्ट्स भी कितना आप कर लोगे, बिकॉज इट हैज टू बी टू वे स्ट्रीट ऑल्सो। सामने वाले भी सब लोग बिजी होते हैं, उनका भी सेट चेंज हो रहा है, आपका भी चेंज हो रहा है।
Exactly.
तो वो बहुत ज्यादा
Basic adulting.
basic adulting.
Correct.
Basically,
Okay.
the point is that.
Basically, long story short, adulting. Okay, let's talk about love. All your clips on love have been going viral and coming up on my Explore page. Kartik Aaryan feels he is very unlucky in love, and women of the world are like, "ये unlucky कैसे है? How is this happening?" So we will discuss it now. Why are you unlucky?
मुझे प्यार नहीं मिल रहा है।
क्यों? Why? And what are you looking in a life partner so that we can have it on record and women can start being like, see, this is on my list, this is on my list, this is on my list, biodata in your DM.
I think, I don't know, there's no specification, there's no ऐसा कुछ मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं कि क्या चीज़ है। there's sometimes it's just a feeling, I don't know, वो उसमें कुछ भी नहीं होता है कई बार कि I feel कि किसी से फ्रीक्वेंसी कुछ मैच हो रही है, या आप कॉन्वर्जेशंस कर पा रहे हो, या फिर आपको कोई फनी लग रहा है इंसान, या फिर you know you have the same eating habits maybe, or maybe you are completely the opposite, you know, sometimes opposite attracts। तो मुझे नहीं पता है कि क्या, maybe I am confused in life, maybe I don't know that, but sometimes ये सारी चीज़ें ही नहीं चाहिए होती हैं and suddenly you have a spark, you know। So I can't just jot down anything. I can be saying that you should be respecting each other, you should be madly in love with each other, and there should be honesty, there should be trust. But sometimes in सबका मुझे नहीं पता कि कौन सी चीज़ spark करती है। It just it'll happen when it happens. Yeah.
And have you ever been in love?
Yeah, I've been in love.
तो फिर पता है ना, what was it? What was the list? वो list हम copy paste
वो
कर
copy
देंगे।
paste कर चल ही नहीं ना वो list।
Actually, फिर से नहीं चलेगी, so cancel।
फिर से नहीं चलेगी ना।
Okay, so now anything else you want to add, or हो गया?
I'm thinking, अच्छा, I'm thinking. Okay, I'll ask you.
No, this is my
मैं पूछ
podcast.
लेता हूँ ना, मैं भी जानना चाहता हूँ ना कि लोगों के दिमाग में क्या चलता है।
Okay.
कि you're single, huh? Are you single first of all? Okay, you're in love. So what was एडिट तो आप ही के हाथ में है। एडिट तो आपके हाथ में है, क्या जा रहा है, मेरा कैमरा थोड़ी है। So you're in love. So what were your specifications?
Specification is it has to be values. It has
Values.
to be हाँ baseline values match होने चाहिए.
वो क्या है?
Like work is important, intellectual connection is important.
हाँ.
You know, things.
अरे शर्मा क्यों रहे?
This is sounding like my podcast. I give these 30-second clips on love and all. And then somebody in New York said, "Aren't you that love guru?" And I was like, "Huh? I'm stopping these reels right now. I'm a founder. I have a startup. Are you a love guru?" Somebody asked me in New York. I was just anyway.
अरे यार, love guru of Bombay.
Love guru of Bombay. Who's now like, let's move on quickly to the next topic.
Okay, okay. Baseline
Okay,
specification.
so the next thing is, we couldn't find these things about you on Google. There are very few things,
Okay,
firstly.
yeah.
बहुत है Google पे.
हाँ,
So these are
बहुत
the
कुछ है.
few things which are
Yeah.
not on Google. Gwalior or Mumbai?
अरे यार it's like कि आप अपने बेबीज में से फेवरेट चूज कर रहे हो कि कौन फेवरेट है. एक जन्मभूमि है, एक कर्मभूमि है.
Wow.
Yeah.
Your guilty pleasure?
I don't know, watching some movies that I really hate, and yeah.
You really hate?
Huh?
You
I
really
really hate in the sense that I know that they're really bad, and
So which
and I
one?
watch. No, I can't name that.
Your go-to song? Your favorite go-to song?
Any romantic sad song would be my favorite songs.
Like which?
Like anything. I think मैं आजकल बहुत ये वाला सुन रहा हूँ गाना जो बजरंग तू जो मिला बजरंग.
हाँ,
That's
yeah.
not sad as
but it's
such,
a nice song.
but it's a nice song. तू जो
Yeah,
मिला.
yeah. Something on your bucket list you haven't done yet?
On my bucket list that I haven't done. Technically मेरी bucket list बहुत मतलब अभी मुझे नई बनानी है.
अच्छा नहीं बनानी.
हाँ नई बनानी है. मेरा खत्म मुझे मतलब मेरे को ड्रीम कार लेनी थी, वो ले लिया. मुझे घर लेना था, ले लिया. देयर आर थिंग्स जो मुझे एक्चुअली मेरे बकेट लिस्ट में स्विमिंग भी था, वो जो मैंने सीख लिया. और बहुत वैसा. सो नाउ I don't know. Maybe I want to build my dream house. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, that would be it. Yeah.
An unknown skill of yours?
That's known to me.
Yeah. That's only known to you.
That's only known to. That I'm always shy to say this, but that I write sometimes. Yeah, maybe.
Oh, you write?
Yeah.
What?
I would not look like a person or sound like a person who would write.
Yeah,
That's
I was
why
like,
I never
this
say
was
this.
random.
See, it sounded random. It's so unknown.
Yeah.
I think it should be unknown only.
Yeah. I was like, writing. I was like, huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
imagine. See?
Yeah. Your biggest fear?
My biggest fear. Sometimes, I mean, it's about, it's to do with acting only. Sometimes when I would not know what to do, when my director says action or he tries to fine tune me and say something. So I
To
think
do with your work?
Yeah, to do with my work.
Okay.
If I just
Blank out,
blank
yeah.
out and I don't know
Yeah.
what to do.
Yeah. Okay, that brings us to the last question. On this beautiful Sunday night. So, you've seen it all, right? Ups, downs, you've followed your passion.
I think so. I
You've
hope
stuck,
so.
Of course, and you've
Yeah.
stuck to it and you've really persevered. And there are so many people who don't even know what their passion is. कि मैं क्या करूँ और मैं अपने dream को back करूँ. Because that is difficult for people. कि, you know, because sometimes the same thoughts come कि guarantee नहीं है. Let me do the safe thing.
Correct.
Or they're just not succeeding in
Correct.
what they're doing, even though it's their passion.
Yeah.
So what advice would you give them?
In acting or just in
Just
any
generally,
profession?
any profession.
I think just to have that self belief. I think people should really you know there's this thing, a lot of people वो खुद में ही अपने आप से हार जाते हैं. They always feel कि यार मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी या कर पाऊंगा ये, you know, that whole thing of thinking about, you know, कि खुद पे ही सेल्फ डाउट अगर करने लगते हैं, आई थिंक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबसे बड़ा एनिमी वो हो जाता है। मुझे लगता है वो सेल्फ बिलीफ होना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि नहीं यार, मैं ये चीज़ तो मुझसे होगी, और मैं उसके लिए जितना हार्डवर्क हो और जितना टाइम लगे, पेशेंस, आई थिंक दैट हैज़ रियली वर्कड फॉर मी। पेशेंस, हार्डवर्क एंड सेल्फ बिलीफ, ये तीनों चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रही है। फिर लक और डेस्टिनी उसके बाद, अभी आपने ये तीनों चीज़ें नहीं की और लक फिर भी आ जाए तो वो कुछ होना नहीं है उसका। लेकिन अगर ये तीनों चीज़ें हैं और आपके एक्चुअली लक साथ दे जाए, तो आई थिंक वो मिरेकल होने के चांसेस होते हैं इन एनी फील्ड, इन एनी जॉब।
Yeah, that's good advice. Thank you so much. And this has been amazing. Worth the wait, I must say. And congratulations on Chandu Champion.
Thank you.
Please go watch it if you haven't. And thank you for the time. And we'll see you again, part 2.
Yes, I think part 3 of भूल भुलैया के टाइम में आपके पास
part 2.
आऊंगा। या उससे पहले भी आ जाऊंगा।
Yeah, we'll tell you to watch Bhool Bhulaiya that time.
मैं
But for now, watch Chandu Champion.
Yeah, but for now, watch Chandu Champion, and as I say, bye from Humans of Bombay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you all for being the best community, and I'll see you soon.